Marshall, southern Lyon and southeastern Livingston counties in western Kentucky. At 3:16 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar continued to indicate a storm capable of producing a tornado. This storm was located north of Aurora, east of Benton, right upon the Lyon and Trigg County lines just north of Energy, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. The tornado will be near 10 miles southeast of Grand Rivers by 3:30 p.m. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Thursday evening for southeastern Illinois and southwest Indiana and western Kentucky. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Livingston, Lyon, Marshall and Trigg.